Paddington Puss. What's that, honey? Paddy. What, Miss Wilson is it? Mr. Wilson? I can never remember. He's got a new name at his new home. He's been Paddington Puss while he's here, but I think it's Mr. Wilson. But I get muddled up. Come on. Look. Come on, my gorgeous boy. I've just woken him up so he's a bit sleepy. I'm sorry. You can go out there later. Come on. Your mummy wants to see you, your new family. They want to see you, mister. So come on, look, how about this? Look at all your kittens like that. You all love that, don't you? Beautiful boy. Bye-bye.